Good morning, students. So this is our last assignment related to application modeler, use of application modeler uh, to connect our process to any web browser application like Facebook, Instagram, or via ERP, okay, or Gmail, okay, anything. Okay. So first of all, here the flow of complete process. Okay, uh, first you have to set your data items like your email ID, okay, whatever you have. Today we just connect with the Facebook login. Okay, so I just enter my credential here, dishamine@gmail.com. okay, and similarly password. Okay, whatever your actual password, you need to be initialized with that value. Okay, now next is the start the your process uh, for connecting to the any application. Okay, now the stage of launch. Okay, please be check here. Okay, here in this case we launch the particular application. Okay, but before we need to launch, we need to set username, password, and login, right? So I'll close these things and just see here is the application modeler in this object studio. Okay, you have to set everything here only. Okay, after that you can launch. Okay, and then username and password, the rest of the things are required. So click here application modeler. Okay, here in this application modeler, the things which ask to you. Okay, first of all application name. Okay, whatever application you required, Instagram, Facebook, via ERP, whatever login, LinkedIn, anything, any application you can connect here. Okay, just give the title. Okay, name, where you need to open that particular application by using this Chrome, right? So this is the by default path for this Chrome exe. Okay, so just type and check in your system also, might be the same. Okay, then which URL is required to launch through the browser. Okay, that URL you need to be set here, that is facebook.com. Okay, rest of the things keep it as it is. Okay, so this is the wizard, actually application wizard we are setting here, right? And close here. Okay, again I open this application modeler. Now once you set everything, okay, you will see that this window. Okay, next this credential you need to set. Okay, once you set, just open again. Okay, here the Facebook login, whatever the application name you are setting here, that comes in the left hand side. Okay, at the bottom side you need to means you can see here that element and child. Okay, so what credentials you require to add in the Facebook login? Definitely username, password, and login, right? That button login. Okay, so I need to add that particular elements here. Just click that child. Okay, so in this way the new window is open. Similarly username, password I already set. Okay, so this type of things you required for username creation, password creation, and login creation. I just delete these things. Okay, now here username. Okay, so username, first child, then password, and then third is login. Okay, so for the username, okay, in the back end you need to open that your facebook.com firstly. This initial page is required. Okay, for setting the username, password window, and login tab. Okay, now here I just click username. Okay, at initially you can see here this type of window is comes, nothing will be set as the attributes we haven't set here. Okay, once you click here attach. Okay, attach, just a minute. So once you click attach, need to click on identify. So once you click the identify, this type of uh, browser identification tool is activated, okay, in the backend. So here you can see how this particular identification tool is work. You read this thing, use control and left key to select the highlighted whatever the items you need to set there. Okay, so I need to set the username, right, this one. So here you can see what I need to do, control and left click to select the highlighted items, control and left click, that's it. Okay, you can check here. Okay, all the things are set for the element 1. Okay, here is the username for facebook.com where we set the this particular things. Okay, similarly for password, I'll show you the these things also. I'll add one more child here. This is the child 2 which set as a password window. Okay, so first of all identify, attach and identify. Okay, so in the backend you have already opened that particular facebook.com, right? So you can see here password window, right? Now here you just control and left key, okay, to select this particular space, okay, particular attribute of this password windows. Okay, so control and click, that's it. So in this way element 2 all the credentials comes, all the attributes whatever required for password setting is comes, right? So this is in this way you have to set the username and password. One more I just add here, after that I will delete these things. Okay, child, that is the login. Okay, so how I add this login, again click element 3 and then identify. Okay, now here this is the login. Okay, so control and click. Okay, so at the bottom side this is the element 3, all the attributes are set here. Okay, so 1 2 3, okay, everything is set, then apply, that's it. In this way username, password and login related all the things you need to set for a particular application. Okay, so I'll delete these things because I don't want. Okay, okay, then apply whatever you set here. Okay, that's it, and say okay. Okay, now come back here your process. Okay, now in the application modeler you have set all the attributes, right? Now in this launch stage you need to launch that Facebook login, right? So by default it's once you set in the application modeler application related all the attributes. Okay, this in the left hand side this application login is comes, so you just drag and drop that things in this action stage, set element stage and set your action as a launch, that's it. Okay, now say okay and close. In the username again the similar things. Okay, for the username you have to set your username as a email, right? So set username as a email, okay, and value, and from whatever the elements comes from the Facebook login, okay, that's set here as a element. Okay, this is from your process element, right? And this is the element from the actual application. Okay, now close. Now you required, once you enter your username, definitely any application required to check that is it that username is exist or not, right? So here wait stage, okay, this wait stage is here, and then username checking. Okay, nothing you need to set here, only the username, and check the condition that check exist or not. Okay, rest of the things keep it as it is. Okay, say close. Okay, then password again comes from your process. Okay, this process is here. Okay, password, so just drag, and elements comes from the actual value comes from application, so set here, rest of the things keep it as it is. Okay, then check the login. Okay, again here login, you have to set from the application explorer login elements. Okay, action is the click. Okay, single click, double click, whatever. Okay, say okay. Okay, in this way you have to set. Now initially you have to close this Facebook. Okay, okay, and just refresh and run. See, at the bottom side new window is open, your email ID, your password, and then login. Okay, so this is my login page. Again I am just signing off from this Facebook. Okay, and again I'll run this complete process. Okay. Refresh and check. Yes, okay. In this way you have to complete your other applications related like Instagram or Gmail or anything. Okay, via ERP you can take any LinkedIn, right? Anything you can take and just finish the task.